This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, good morning. Yeah, so in the previous session, we developed one Hello World program, and we had basic logic. Some basic logic we implemented, which is simply copying the request data into response, and then we saw how to deploy the program, how to test the program. Okay, we saw all this stuff, right? So, but today what I want to do is I want to implement the actual logic. So, what is the actual requirement in the Hello World program? Whatever request we received, whatever request we received, we want to concatenate hello or hi. Some keyword we want to concatenate on the input. This is what we expected um, as per the requirement, right? But what we implemented, simply we copy request field into response field. That's it. We did not implement any logic because it is the first example we are doing. I just want to show you the basic logic, basic data processing. Okay, but let's implement the actual logic. So actual logic is, this is not the actual logic we are expecting. So what we are expecting a concatenation logic. So what I want to do is, I want to delete this mapping. See here, this is the from section. This is the from section. This is the to section, which is the mapping we performed, mapping we did, right? So I don't want this. Let's remove this. I just deleted the mapping. Okay, now what I want to implement concatenation. See guys, at any time you want to implement some expression. Concatenation is an expression, correct? You want to implement any expression, this is the function you need to use. So this is the expression builder. This is the expression builder in SOA. Just simply click on it. Okay, you get a pop-up like this, expression builder, and here you need to write the function. So guys, we no need to write any coding. We have all the ready-made functions here. So as of now, there are different types of functions. You can see advanced function, DeepL extension function, DPM function, conversion function. See, you can see DVM functions. So there are so many functions. So as of now, I want to deal with string function. See, if you select this drop-down box, group of functions will be displayed. Okay. In this, I want to select string functions. These are our string functions. Suppose if you want to go for something else, date functions, select date function. You can see different date functions here. Different date functions. Okay, as of now we want string function. Just select string function, and within the string function what we want, concatenation, right? So check for concat function. Compare contains concat. Yeah, you can see the concat function here, right? And observe guys, when I selected the function, in the bottom you can see the description of the function. How to use this function, you can see the description. They will talk. Let me put it in a notepad file. They will give you syntax, they will give you example. Okay, if you see this is the syntax. Usage, they said usage, right? Usage means syntax. And this is the example. So what they said, concat is the function name, string1 as string, string2 as string. So we want whatever strings you want to concatenate, that you can paste here, and you can concatenate any number of strings. See, they said dot dot dot. That means comma string3, comma string4, comma string5, something like that. Okay, they gave you an example as well. See here, first comma space comma name. This is what they are concatenating. The result will be first name. Suppose let's say Ram Kumar. So if this is the function you tested, the response, the output is Ram Kumar. This is how the output we are expecting from this function. Are we good? So every function, you select one function here, every function will have a syntax and an example. So that will help you to understand how to use this function. Okay, let me use the concat function. Just select it, and then this is the button to insert the expression. Click on this button. So I got the concat function. What is the first parameter? Within double quotes, I want to say hi. Okay, within double quotes I want to say hi, comma, I want a white space, within double quotes, one single white space. Okay, and then comma, hi, what we want to concatenate with, oh, sorry, We want to concatenate with input username, correct?
Yes, sir.
Hi, comma, I want a white space. I want a white space, comma, and I want to go for input variable. In the input variable, username is here. Username. Just select the expression. See here, after comma, you need to place the expression. Just place the cursor proper place in the proper location. Keep your cursor. Select the field whichever you want to include in the expression. Insert into expression. Done. Now this is the expression we built. Let me place it in a notepad file. Observe this, what I did. Concat, hi, white space. This is the runtime data. At runtime, I'm going to get the username. If the input is Ram, hi Ram will be the output. If the input is Ravi, hi Ravi will be the output. Okay. So the username, I want to get it from input variable. So this is the expression I want to build. Observe here, whenever I am providing static data, I'm using double quotes. Static data, I'm using double quotes. But if it is runtime data from a variable, don't use double quotes. Okay, make sure if you use double quotes, it becomes a static data. Suppose if I use double quotes here, what will happen? Hi space hello world, in the entire string will be considered as a static string because you kept it in double quotes. So don't do that. So expressions don't keep in double quotes. Static data you can keep in double quotes. Okay, done. We are ready with our expression. It's very simple. Done. Concat function is ready. Concat function is ready. Correct. Okay, now the result, the concat function will give you result, right? The result I want to save into my target variable, which is output variable, and it contains wish as the simple element. I want to store the result, my result, whatever the result this function generates, that will be stored into this wish element in the target variable. Observe the expression here. Observe the expression. You got the from. This is from section and this is to section. From section is a concat function. To section is a wish element. Okay, done. That's it. Let's say apply and okay. Save your Hello World program and you can do the deployment. Hope you know how to do the deployment, right? Any questions as of now? Anyone? Let
మాస్టర్ వాయిస్ వినపడట్లేదు.
I think in power supply off అయింటది బ్రో సార్ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో.
ఓకే ఓకే. విక్రమ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నావా? విక్రమ్
అన్న అది ఇన్స్టాల్ కావట్లేదు అన్న, ఇంకా ఎర్రర్ చూపిస్తుంది. సార్తో ఇప్పుడే మాట్లాడాను.
ఓకే
సో ఆ ఎర్రర్ ఈ రోజు కూడా ఇన్స్టాల్ ట్రై చేస్తాము. నేను ఖాజాబాయ్. సరే ఆ ఎర్రర్ మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి మాకు చెప్పండి. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను.
సార్ చూపించావా?
ఫస్ట్ రోజు చూపించాను, ఎస్టర్డే చూపించలేదు ఎర్రర్. ఈరోజు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేసి ఒకవేళ ఎర్రర్ వస్తే మీకు సార్కి షేర్ చేస్తాను బ్రో.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక అడుగు, ఆ ఎర్రర్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి. ఏం ఎర్రర్?
ఓకే బ్రో, ఓకే బ్రో.
సంపత్ నువ్వు
వెంకటన్న
డెవలపర్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని
చేస్తాను.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నావా?
ఈరోజు చేస్తా అన్న. ఈ విధంగా రాత్రి తీసుకొచ్చాము అది ల్యాప్టాప్.
ఓకే. కాజా కాజా
హలో.
కాజా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నావా?
చేస్తున్నా
ఓకే ఓకే.